we go. Cats, hats, and more bats. We got the hold and spin feature. We're on nickel denom. That's a $50 mini right there, and everything else is times 5. Every time we get a bat, it restarts the spin. Let's go. Yep, that's 5. That's 5. There was a 20 in there too. Yeah, I went to a nickel. Oh yeah, it's $10.
I got you.
Okay. Go. Yeah.
Drop that bait.
You can do one. Go.
Come on, fill it.
Ooh, I did, yeah. That'd be real nice. Oh, another mini. Then that mini's gonna hit. Boom! $185. So this is the updated cats, hats, and more bats. There's a wheel on this one. As you can see, there's a wheel right there. And that's what we're aiming for. So let's try to get it. There's a mariachi band in here. I don't know. Those gold bats, feed those bats. 3 of those to bonus. Let's go. Come on. Oh, we want to get that wheel. What's going on? Okay, that's too loud. I gotta stop.
They're moving. They're doing good.
Couple rapids. Got him again on the rapids.
Oh my gosh.
Got him on the. That's how I got the last one too. Was rapid hits.
Yeah, and there's a couple games I feel like if you wrap it, it does help. Like those firecracker games. Oh, you're
Nice, babe. Thanks. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, the grand is 17,230. Is it in there?
It will be at the end. All we needed is at the end. Just.
I don't see it.
Okay, so
Is it
take
at the same
third.
on one? We'll both press the button at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
We really did it on the same time.
Damn.
That's good.
That's good though. $80 on a 250. That's good. Keep going. Who is that? Oh, of course she is. I was like the last time we were here in the hotel room. That might have been her. It sounds like the same person. Oh no, she'll start swinging at you, baby. Oh! Come on, wheel. Go. Yeah! Come on. I mean, that's how I felt a little earlier. I just didn't vocalize it. Now she's vocalizing it. Go. There probably isn't.
She's yelling, there's no one there, get it. There's no one there with her, she's on the phone. Let in. She's just holding the phone.
Yeah, she could be.
She got some things to say to everyone.
2 more. possible, babe. Yeah.
We want that wheel.
Yeah, we really do. 200 and I'm done. Come on, little baddies, wake up. Little baddies.
Come on, you're next.
Dang, it went over there. All right, that was fun.